Good morning, everyone. This is Miss D, Camp and Adventures. I am here still at the park enjoying myself, and I have a nice fire this morning. And I hope you had a good evening, and I also hope you have a good day. We had a big rain last night, and I wasn't here for it, but the tent stood up very well. The table stood up very well. And this morning I got a fire going. I hope everyone have a great day. And this is the end of this adventure, but the next adventure will be coming soon. And I really hope everyone stay positive, keep your mental health in check, and love yourself. This is Miss D, Camp and Adventures. Have a good day.